two mini participants will be like they will be giving some paper presentation also. I'm one of the presenter over here as like research is green. So everybody should try to produce one paper. So here also I'm associated, like I will be presenting my paper over here. And let me start like we are all gathered for a big thing that is like we are in a collective journey of exploration and discovery. Like the theme of the conference is emerging trend in computer science and intelligence system. So here, like we are sitting in the heart of revolution that is reshaping our world, right? So from artificial intelligence, machine learning, and we are redefining many possibilities to the intelligence system, creating smarter, more efficient environment. Like through the conference, we will be getting some information. What is the thing going on? What is the market strategy, right? So the pace of change is like breathtaking because many researchers they will be producing their research work in this conference and we will be hearing that. So this conference is a platform is not just witness this change, but also we are going to engage actively with it, like question it, contribute in different directions, right? So as the organizing an event is not an easy task, right? So for that reason we are all over here, and it would be like it's really impossible without a team because we need energy, that is synergetic collaboration between our esteemed partners. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the AMIEE Association and CMAOI Association and RAHSS Association for their like support and partnership. So this confluence of expertise from technology, commerce, management, and humanities, it what makes the conference truly unique and holistic. So this is what is required. So here let me tell you something about the conference theme that is like emerging trends in computer science and intelligence system. Like we can see that emerging trends, what does that mean? It refers to the latest, rapidly evolving development, and that is like moving from one research labs to real-time scenario, real-time applications. So this is not just the incremental improvement, but one step to redefine what is possible, right? And in computer science, if you take, that means quantum computing, edge computing, cyber security, all these are the market, or we can say the research areas which are now green. The phrase like intelligence system, which is central, and like we can see that it is pointing towards advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So beyond basic algorithm, so this sophisticated model like large language models, that is LLM, generative AI, computer vision, that enable the system, right, to perceive, learn, reason automatically. We need to understand it. Crucially, the trends are going on and on towards making this system, which we all are gathered for more explanation, ethical and human centric, ensuring that we are in the argument, or also we can say that not argument, we can say that it's like the possibilities, what are the changes going on, right? Like we can see that augmented AI, right? So augmented human capabilities rather than replacing them. So this ultimately, the title signifies the convergence of two domains. First one is like using the foundational computer science breakthroughs like IoTs and all, because IoT is the mother of all, right? So to build the next generation of intelligent, adaptive, and trustworthy systems that would drive the innovation across every sector of the society. So that is the major requirement these days. So Like without much delay, let us start it. Let us continue. The key concept and methodologies, the data and analytics, like big data and all. There are many research papers integrated with this. So I welcome you all to this, and very happy to be associated with this conference. Thank you so much. It's over to you, madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that knowledgeable talk. Thank you so much. Um, may I
Hello.
know Dr. Vin Kaur, ma'am, is in the meeting?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Uh,
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. One
okay,
second,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
One second, ma'am. It's my immense pleasure to introduce Dr. Gunwin Kaur Narulla. Is a dedicated and a skilled ENT consultant with a strong academic background and clinical expertise, holding both MBBS and MS degree. Mom brings a comprehensive knowledge and a patient-centered approach to the diagnosis and treatment of ENT disorders. She specializes in managing a wide range of conditions related to the ear, nose, throat, head, and the neck, and she has a commitment to using the latest medical advancements to achieve the best possible outcomes. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much. I am delighted to be a part today of the AMIEE Association. As already from the morning, we are listening very keen speakers, and I'm very delighted that I have been a part of this. Since I being a clinician and working entirely in the field of dealing with the patients day to day, and ENT being a very, very promising branch, and in upcoming days, it is very evolving as it involves two of the main sensory organs out of the five which we have in our body, being ear and nose. And this artificial intelligence acting in this era and helping us to diagnose the patients earlier is a very innovative, and it's very helpful for the patients to early treat them. So, not wasting much of the time and not going into many detail, I will just focus upon few of the things that we are using in our practice with this artificial intelligence as today. So, being in a clinic daily, we usually don't use all the equipments, but to diagnose a patient early, like moving into our chambers, we need to diagnose them, give them a personalized treatment and a sure outcome, that they don't go here and there and don't waste much time. So, why AI and artificial intelligence in ENT, right? So, ENT is a complex. Ear, nose, and throat conditions can be complex, and AI helps streamline diagnosis, improves accuracy, and it helps us to enhance the patient outcomes. So, where we are using it, we are not just using it for the diagnosis, even in the treatment planning, it helps us. And in today's world, surgeries like with robot assisted and all AI driven instruments, like precision is very much important. And this AI is helping us in that too. In predicting analysis, AI's role is predicting disease progression, and it is helping us to even know the rarest conditions which even we see very rarely on our OPD days, and we tend to forget them. So using this AI and enlightening a small topic, that is hearing loss. Like hearing is in today's era, as we are globalizing and we all are connecting now, sitting from all over the world together today. So we are using all this technologies and all this earbuds, hearing aids are all are helping us. And but all we know with evolution, it has some booms and the side effect parts. So like hearing loss, it is one of the most commonly now AI system is helping us to interpret it early. We sight is a just a second. Hello. So AI is diagnosing us in ENT disorders, like it is helping us to interpret audiograms, classifying hearing impairments, predicting the progression of hearing loss. It is also in cases of nose diseases, it is helping us to analyzing images to detect the disease early, to identify the cancer so that it can be referred to the specialist and the patient can take the cure early. This voice is the powerhouse of any body. We call it the laryngeal box. It has many diseases, but it cannot be diagnosed easily. Along it has some pathologies and neurological conditions. So AI is not only a tool, but it is helping us in many of the ways. So I would just like to be like not taking much time. I will be saying that AI is not just about mastering technologies or AI just not enabling devices. It has to be used in more initiatively way. Like all the my colleagues and all the dignitaries from the morning are saying that we are working in different fields and we are bringing it together, and it is almost always helping uh, it is helping us to diagnose the patient very easily, and we all have to work in a progressive way and create more such creativity so we can uh, work in a more balanced way. Actually, I'm having little issue with this. So I think I would like to, with this note, I'll say a thank you here. And
Hello, mom.
Hello.
Yeah, mom. Yeah.
Actually, I'm in OPD. I'm having little. So thank you so much. I'll take this opportunity. It has been a wonderful that I am here, joined from the morning, and I am listening that all many branches and all from the different spheres, everybody has got together, and I'm actually in some work, so I'm really apologize for all this, but I'll join you later soon. Okay, thank you.
Mom, thank you so much. In your busy time, also you took us a few time to be with us, and thank you for sharing your knowledge with us today, Mom. Thank you so much.
Both the doctors joined while doing their OPD. So thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. It's great to be a part, but I wanted to actually say something more, but actually due to there is some little glitch, I am not actually able to, they are not able to fix it in the OPD actually. So I'm trying there, but there is some issues here.
No worries, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here. And we'll
Okay.
have your session again in some other conferences.
Yeah,
Definitely.
sure.
Thank you once again, Mom, for your sharing your knowledgeable thought with us. Thank you so much. It's my immense pleasure to introduce our esteemed chief guest for today, Dr. Aariz Aftab. Sir is a distinguished member of the Indian Administrative Services, presently serving as a Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal, India. A scholar and administrator of exceptional caliber, he holds multiple advanced degrees, including a PhD in environmental science, MBA, MEA in international development policy from Duke University, and a Daula honor degree in electrical and electronics engineering and biological science from BITS Pilani. Over his illustrious career, Dr. Aftab has held several significant government positions, notably serving as a district magistrate of Uttar Danbaj and Darjeeling. His expertise and leadership have also extended to the global stage, having been appointed as an international observer for elections in Bangladesh. An accomplished writer, Dr. Aftab has authored several books, including the notable work, The Third Word Aside Sustainable, reflecting his deep engagement with issues of urban sustainability and development. His career embodies a rare blend of academic excellence, administrative acumen, and a global perspective, marking him as a visionary leader dedicated to the governance, environmental awareness, and democratic integrity. Sir, we are proud to have you with us today. Over to you, sir.
Thanks for the very lavish praise. And at the very outset, I would like to, first of all, commend the AMIE and AIML in collaboration with associated associations for organizing this international conference on emerging trends in computer science and intelligent systems. Such conferences obviously provide a very robust platform for researchers, academicians, and industry professionals to present and discuss the latest innovations, trends, and challenges in the evolving fields of computer science and intelligent systems. Very frankly, it was really a pleasure to listen to the valuable suggestions which were given by the earlier speakers and ideas which are really deserving to be lauded and imbibed. As has been very volubly and cogently espoused by distinguished speakers, researchers basically should try to link their research with real-world applications, particularly in healthcare, education, sustainability. And the emphasis obviously should be on improving the society, enhancing healthcare delivery, public welfare, industry innovation. And has been repeatedly pointed out, it really cannot be gainsaid that for any consequential research work, innovation, originality, and technical soundness are imperative also. I was going through some of the papers which have been received, and these are from a wide gamut of diverse technical and interdisciplinary domains which encompass AI, machine learning, IoT, cloud computing, cybersecurity, blockchain, digital transformation. And really, for example, in election management, electoral management bodies across the world, they are trying to work towards deep fake detection systems, particularly how it can be explained, images and videos. This is a major challenge. Also, cybercrime in social media platforms, particularly the mitigation of cyberbullying, online harassment, phishing, misinformation, how it can be done using natural language processing and application of AI. So these are important. I also had the pleasure of listening to a number of health initiatives, a plethora of initiatives in the health sector, and I was listening to how it is being used in cancer, ENT, healthcare informatics, telemedicine, healthcare data analysis. There's also a paper I was going through on early detection of diabetes using supervised machine learning techniques. Also, in sustainability, green computing, social impact technologies, water conservation. This is also, in fact, when I was saying the book, Are the Third World Cities Sustainable Now? It's a big challenge, especially traffic and waste management. So how we can introduce less congestion, how we can anticipate traffic bottlenecks and adjust traffic lights to minimize the congestion and cut down on travel time. Also, a lot of waste is being solid waste management, what are the best routes for traffic collection, waste reduction. So these are all issues. Also, I was going through some paper on education technology and smart learning systems. So how collaborative approach can be used for enhanced learning, for example, personalized learning, intelligent tutoring systems, immersive learning. So these are all papers here. So these are all realms which are now changing the landscape of our lives. So what, in essence, I would say is computer science and intelligent systems. It's a fast-changing industry, reimagining the limits of our daily lives, ever evolving, increasingly getting enmeshed with the betterment of our daily lives. I would once again exhort the technology developers to further enhance their commitment to optimizing these tools for germane solutions to healthcare, education, and sustainability. And to conclude, I would say that we should continue to strive towards self-reliance and towards global research super empowerment. And at the concluding, I would once again like to congratulate the organizers and heartily commend the participants for their initiative. And it's been really a pleasure listening to all of you. And I hope that meaningful outcomes emerge from this conference. Thank you very much for inviting me to this conference. Best of luck.
Sir, thank you so much. Your information was engaging and very much informative. Thank you for insightful talk. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call upon Dr. R. Satish Kumar, Professor in the Department of MBA and Research Center, Surana College, Autonomous, Bangalore, for proposed vote of thanks for the inaugural session. Before that, I would like to introduce Dr. R. Satish Kumar, sir. Sir is a professor at Department of Management and Research Center at Surana College, Kingiri, Bangalore, Karnataka, and postdoctoral research scholar at Manipur International University. He is an accredited management teacher from All India Management Association, New Delhi. Prior to this present position, he worked in various B schools across Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra. Sir has 20 years of rich academic experience along with intensive research exposure in the field of management. He has been awarded with the Best Senior Faculty in the Management from DK International Research Foundation, Tamil Nadu, and awarded with the Outstanding Faculty in the Management from Venus International Foundation, Chennai. He has been awarded with the Certificate Excellence in Reviewing Article from Journal of Management Research and Analysis. Dr. R. Satish Kumar have been awarded with the Bharat Excellence Award 2020 and Leading Educationist of India Award for Educational Excellence from Friendship Forum of India, New Delhi. Sir has been awarded with the Young Professor of the Year Award 2022 from Global Teaching Excellence Award and Best Reviewer Award from Elsewhere and Social Science Research Network 2022. We are truly honored to have you with us today, sir. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. It was a wonderful introduction. So without much delay, that I would like to propose the vote of thanks. The most respected chief guest of the day, Dr. Aariz Aftab, a Chief Electoral Officer and Additional Chief Secretary, West Bengal, and the patron, convener and co-conveners, secretary, conference chairs, and conference directors, session chairs, organizing secretary and jury members, review and technical committee members. At the outset, I would like to extend my, the greetings to all of you for being part of this international conference on emerging trends in computer science and intelligence systems 2025. It's been a tremendous effort from the patron, the conveners and then co-conveners, directors, to bring out the different the dimensions into a one conferences. As our chief guest, sir, rightly said, so brought up a lot of diversified areas into the conferences. It is ranges from the artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science and big data analytics, cybersecurity and privacy, blockchain and decentralized systems, cloud computing and edge technologies, Internet of Things and then sensor networks, natural language processing and conversational AI, and computer vision and image processing, quantum computing, high performance computing, human computer interactions and assistive technologies, software engineering and agile development, educational technology and e-learning technologies. It's a wide range of the areas, the disciplines that they brought under the 10 tracks in the international conferences. It's a beautiful, well-articulated theme selections by the artificial intelligence and machine learning, innovative entrepreneurs and associations, engineers associations. It's a brilliant job. Okay, and it's my pleasure to extend my heartfelt thanks to the gratitude to the each and every one of the member who is being part of making this conference possible. Okay, the first and foremost, it's my pleasure and honor to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the most respected Dr. RAHSS Aftab, an IAS Chief Electoral Officer, Additional Chief Secretary, West Bengal, despite of Sir's busy schedule, being a part of the international conference and giving an inaugural session note. Thank you very much, sir. Extend a heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the entire organizing team, patron, chief patrons, and each and every one of the members of the AMIEE associations. Right? Thank you so much, sir, for being part of this and making this program a gracious one. The next, I would like to extend the heartfelt gratitude to the most respected patron, Dr. Gulreet Gandhi, President of AIML, Innovative Entrepreneurs and Engineers Associations, for the valuable insights that she brought into these conferences. Thank you, ma'am. And next goes to the most respected Professor Dr. Ipsita Nanda, Vice Chairperson and Director at RIT, for being part of this conference as the convener and bringing out all the networks and then the members to this forum for having such a wonderful the conference theme and then followed by the conference presentations. So thank you to you, ma'am. And then is the next is that the most respected Dr. Aamir Zunaid Ahmed, Secretary of AMIEE. It was very nice associations to have with sir. Lot of, as one of the member has said, that lot of networking. Unless until that Aamir Zunaid sir's effort is not there, bringing in all this expertise into this the platform, it is not possible. And it is we have been observing the right from the establishment of the Commerce and Management Association of India, and followed by this present AMIEE associations. Sir, your work is truly amazing, and then you are spreading a lot of energies to the youngsters, and of course your the effort and then the articulation of ideas definitely brings in a lot of insights to the sessions, conferences. And special thanks to you, sir, being part of the conferences. And my next thanks, gratitude goes to the convener, as I already mentioned, Dr. Ipsita Nandi, Gandhi, and co-conveners, and Dr. Aravind, Dr. Sipa, Dr. Nandini, Dr. Uma Nagaraj, and the conference chairs right from the Dr. Aamir Zunaid Ahmed, Professor M.A. Anusa and Dr. Rita Rani, and then Dr. Purnima. Conference directors Dr. P.N. Manjunatha Reddy and Dr. Malati, and the session chairs Dr. Nalini, Professor Sarala Hemant Kumar, and Professor Lalita, and organizing secretaries and the jury members. If you look at the list, the conference, the brochures, the list is filled with the experts, and then the wonderful personalities from the diversified field, and then the professions. It is always to have such an expertise to make the conferences great, and then the very successful one. My heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of the members, right from the patron to the co-conveners, conveners, and the jury members, all of them. And we are definitely the participants. Yes, without you, that we may not be able to, even though that we have a number of experts and the delegates, invited speakers, all that things, but without you, that the conference may not be the successful. And I've seen that a couple of minutes. I've seen that we have got a 70 plus of the participants. It was initially it is 83, and then it is a 70 plus number of participants being part of this conferences. Definitely, all the participants and then invited the guest will have a lot of insights, the lot of brainstorming sessions, the discussions, the deliberations. So that brings new nuances to the theme that we have took for the conferences, and heartfelt the gratitude from bottom of my heart on behalf of the entire organizing committees and then the associations. And we are going to have the fruitful interactive sessions that the days to come, 2 days, that's 11th and 12th. Okay. With this note, I almost covered upon. If at all I've missed any one of the people who have been put in a lot of efforts. So my gratitude goes to each and every one, and thanks for the opportunity, Junaid sir, and the associations, and looking forward for the sessions. And thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. R. Satish Kumar sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Every great discovery begins with the interchange. As we end this inaugural session, may the discussion ahead spark ideas that shape the world for generation to come. Today, we open not just a conference, but a conversation that connects minds across nation. May it lead us towards a shared future of knowledge and progress. With this, dear participants, now we will be having a short break for 45 minutes. Exactly by 2 p.m., we will be starting our technical session. Kindly log into the respective link and present your research paper. All the best for all the research presenters for today international conference for their presenting the paper. Thank you. This is Lalita, Assistant Professor in the Department of BCom BBA, Dayanand Sagar College of Arts, Science and Commerce, signing off for today's inaugural session. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.